So, Merry Christmas, everyone. First of all, I want to wish you all the best to have a beautiful day with your family and friends. And I wish for everyone to have good health and happiness in your personal life. Now, let's jump into trading. So, we had Ripple rebounding. It did find, it did hold the 25. I mean, it came under and went up. That was my last idea, which I was posted. I was saying I was going to be out. Um, thank God my stop losses at 20. I hit a lot of stop losses here. Okay. A lot of stop losses here under the 25, but my last resort of 21 cents, I didn't hit the stop losses. And eventually I ended up having quite a roller coaster. Again, this is a live account. So by looking at the account, I have been trading since December 8th on this one. I started with 5,000. Okay. And currently, my equity right now is at 33,000. So, indeed, at the end of the day, it was the big Christmas buy. It was a roller coaster. Guys, I will show you how many positions I've opened on this one. I understand that maybe not all of you can have this kind of experience to do this. I have opened 600 trades, and out of these 600 trades, I have opened 341 long trades buy and 259 sell. So all the time I keep mixing between buy and sell. Probably you've seen a lot of ideas where I say 60% buy, 40% sell. All that for me is how I put those figures that keep changing into context, and I'm able to trade with a strategy that I teach at fxprofessor.com. So it was a roller coaster because from 8th of December I had a drawdown, and I managed to pick it up. And then when Bitcoin went up to 66 cents, it was at 26,000. But then everything started going wrong, and eventually when when Ripple crashed around the 22 of December, I had a drawdown that I almost lost all my profits. My equity went to 8, but finally right now my equity is at 30 thousand plus. It's at 33,000, and this is my deal map with with a lot of positions that I have opened and closed. So it's always good to know how to trade, and it's always good to manage the risk. So on this point, I'm just checking that my stop losses are gonna secure me some funds, and I keep doing this exercise over and over again. I know how to do it. I have developed it. I have developed this system, so it's something that comes to me naturally. Like here, I want to take €1,000 profit in the worst case scenario. So obviously, there were ups and downs, and there were 600 trades involved. Okay, 257 winning, 144 winning were long, 113 winning were short. So I was going up and down, and since the Ripple was moving all around, I managed to survive the crash and find the opportunity to sustain myself. And then after that, it started rising. I started compounding, which is one of the elements I used. So obviously, it has been really successful, and I'm very happy about this. At the same time, let's take a look. You can look at my previous ideas, and just to recap a little bit, now with all that has happened with Ripple, I'm going to show you the big chart one more time. 0.61, it's doable, and then if it breaks at 0.80, 1.47 eventually. So that's it for now. Merry Christmas. I hope you managed to do well with your Ripple trades as well, and I wish every single one of you um, less trades or more trades, doesn't matter. That's up to you. Just more profitable trades for everyone.